Good morning everyone, welcome back here to the Megan Moves channel. We are on day 5 of our Seattle vacation and today we have a fun day ahead of us. We've got a little bit of a motorcycle road trip that we're going to be doing. We are going to be doing the North Cascades Scenic Loop. So a portion of it is closed off, so we're going to see how far we can go around. But due to a fire that's happening in the area, but we are starting at a little bit early in the morning. It's about 6:30 here in Briar, Washington. So we're gonna start our trip up to the North Cascades. We have about a 2-hour ride. So we're gonna be riding on my dad's motorcycle here. He's gonna be coming along with us. So come along with us, guys. We'll be showing you some scenic views with the GoPro and we'll be stopping at some of the hot spots and highlights around. So let's go ahead and get on to our adventure. So we are on our first rest stop here. We are in the town of Marblemount. So we've been having a good little ride so far. We've been going for about an hour and a half maybe. So we just made our way through here. And so we stopped and we got some breakfast. I got a banana, a nice chocolate chip muffin. Dad has a cherry pie that he's eating. And so we're about 10 miles out of the North Cascades Park. So we're just going to continue on our way. And this is the Skagit River that we are behind right now, so it's very nice and scenic, nice and peaceful for sure. So we've been seeing some amazing views. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying the footage so far, and I'm sure it's just going to get better from here. So we're going to finish up eating our little breakfast here and then continue on our way.
So guys, give you a little orientation. Megan was just down at the riverside outside of Marblemount, which obviously we are here at Marblemount. We're going to take another approximately 15 miles to, I guess, the entrance of it, or the corridor through the North Cascades Highway. We'll probably stop at the visitor center. Then we continue up. This is the dam here that's created by the Ross Dam. And then we're going to continue on up over. Unfortunately, due to a fire, as Megan mentioned, we're not able to do the whole loop. We're going to go as far as just prior to Winthrop, and then we'll see how far we get. Who knows? Maybe they put it out in the last 5 hours, which I doubt it, but that is where we're heading, and that's where we're going to take you.
Yep. So that sounds good. We'll continue on our way, but Dad also isn't going to tell you here. He's eyeing up this flyer for the Marblemount Sasquatch Conference. So maybe that'll be a future vlog from Dad.
Just $15 and you two can attend.
Yep, just $15, $25 for the both of the days. So I think that sounds like a deal. All right, we made it to the entrance of the North Cascades Park here. I really like seeing the different national park signs and how they're all different and unique. I really like the looks of the rocks here and the snow that's on the top of the signs. So we're gonna keep driving through and seeing what we can see. So here we are at the visitor center. Unfortunately, it's only open for the store portion right now, but we got some information on where we want to go and what we want to see, so we're going to keep continuing on our journey. We've made it to our first scenic overlook. You can see the road over there in the distance and a beautiful waterfall down below here, but it's just a beautiful view of the valley here. Starting to get really good. So we have the Colonial Mountain Pyramid and then Davis here in the distance. So this is the Diablo Lake. And down here in the distance you can see the dam that we just came off of, that we drove across. So absolutely beautiful. I love the color of the lake here, and I'm sure the views are just going to keep getting better. So we're going to keep on riding. Well, we made it to the road closed point, so we're just gonna drive back where we came from and hit some of the viewpoints we missed. Alright, so we left the North Cascades National Park, had a great time and enjoyed the views. We are in Darrington, Washington now. Took a little rest stop after our drive. We've got some lunch here of chicken tenders and JoJo's. We call them potato wedges, but we have JoJo's here. Some cherries. Dad is a huge cherry fan, so we've got to get cherries when we're out here in Washington. What other snacks did we get? Oh, we've got a Snapple and some chips. So we're gonna have a good feast here and then continue on our way.